So today we're gonna do a key for phobic style for a 2018 Dodge Ram, using the ADC cable located right under the driver's side steering area. We're just gonna click our cable in just like that. After we do that, we're just gonna take the other side of the ADC and put it on the OBD. Now we're gonna put the hazard lights on. We're gonna go to Dodge. Just gonna place the new key in the ignition. We're gonna turn it to on, and we're gonna go for automatic selection. Just gonna press OK. Gonna press OK. I'm gonna go for phobic. Gonna press OK. I'm gonna turn the ignition off and then on. I'm gonna go for immo status scan. I'm just gonna press OK. After this is done, we're just gonna go add a key. So we're gonna go to this one, and then we're gonna hit start. Turn the ignition off as the light is on. So we got the password. Just gonna press OK. Then we're gonna take the new key. We're gonna put it in the ignition in the lock position. Means we're not gonna turn it. And we're just gonna press yes. Learning succeeded. We can see now that the cluster comes on, the remote works, and learning is done. Job is done. Again, the cable location is very easy. It's just under the driver area, and you just clip it in just like that. Super easy. It's located right there next to the OBD.